Hello, this is HYCHIKA 19 pieces whole saw set, which contains 13 saw blades, 2 mandrels, 1 drill bit, 1 hex key, 1 installation plate, and 1 storage box. How to assemble it. Connect the mandrel with the saw blade. Align the installation plate. Then install the nut and tighten. That's okay. Let's check how it works. Common problems and solutions. Firstly, how to tighten the mandrel. When the mandrel loosens, we can tighten it with the hex key. Secondly, please pay attention, do not cut solid boards, otherwise the saw teeth will be dull. Thank you.